Are you ready?
Nah.
All right. Go to your mom. Oh. Oh. So we're out here on our family walk, and we just thought we'd seize the opportunity and freaking hit these jumps with the RC car. I'm not gonna go first. Brayden's gonna test her skills. Maybe I should go first.
No.
So I can actually have a turn.
No.
Okay. Okay, are you gonna hit this one? Get some practice and then come hit it. More speed, more speed. Liam's laughing. Nice. Well, you don't really have to worry about it. Going straight. Can Daddy have a turn?
No.
Oh!
Holy crap!
Oh, sorry, I'm gonna dusting you out.
It's alright. Oh my gosh! Did you just flip it?
Yeah.
Wrecked.
That one went high.
Oh gosh.
Holy cow.
Squishy, what do you think about all
Brayden,
this?
look. Come look. Too late.
Wrecked.
That was high.
I'm so glad I got a millisecond of a turn. Jerk. Liam, how do you feel about that? Look at you. Hey, Liam.
Did Daddy break it?
Daddy broke it.
Family walk, slave dad pulling the family.
Liam, what do you think about all this?
This goes against us going on this walk for you to get exercise.
It's just so fun to sit
She got
here.
mad at me earlier and she said, this isn't just about RC cars,
I
it's
did
about
not
me getting
say
exercise.
that.
And now you're sitting in the wagon.
Wagons are fun. Wagons are cool.
Well, I guess I broke the RC car, so
Yeah,
now I have to pay.
you do have to pay. I was so excited to do a sick jump off of it.
You did too.
I know. I'm awesome.
We're gonna go catch up to Brayden's friend.
They're further up ahead. We're gonna end up moving.
Faster than we ever have in this wagon.
Seems dangerous. Oh my gosh, Liam, this is scary. So freaky to do.
Okay, so we ended our walk with me breaking the car and Braden getting a free ride home. Anyways, we're home, and that was a lot of fun. We ended up talking to Braden's friends, so that's why we stopped filming things. Braden, tell everyone to like and subscribe and stuff.
Like and subscribe. If you don't, then you're saying no to this cute face. Not mine. It's... Huh. Say bye.
Bye.
Yes.
Could you film for a while?
Because she's already getting texts like, so I'm not trying to pressure you, but are you going back to work? And it's like, that isn't nice. And they're like, oh, my brow is like, but just